December 2025. I sold my tire and auto store for just over 7 figures, and I've taken the last month or so off to really reflect on what I want to do moving forward. When you do a big business sale, you actually have some freedom, and I'm just about to turn 46 in a couple of days, and so I've got some time to think about what I actually want to do next for a power move. I do have a few other businesses I have on the side as well. These aren't full-time gigs. As you know, I do car rental and a few other bits and pieces on the side. So these aren't full-time gigs. They're not my true passions either, and they're not massive big businesses that are going to generate multiple 7 figures. So at the age I'm at, I'm looking for something to get my teeth into. I really do have a car collecting Lego issue at the moment. I've got cars everywhere. Growing up, I was never really a big car guy. Like all kids, I had a Lambo poster. Lamborghinis and supercars were always a dream one day, and that was always a way of proving success. Having been in the business game for 30-odd years, I'm 27 businesses in, that was my mark of success, was having a supercar. But when I could afford one, I never bought one because I thought, what a waste of money. But it wasn't that the supercars were a waste of money. It was that once I could afford to buy one, I didn't want to use my capital and allocate it to a car when I could just allocate that capital to buying and selling more businesses and more investing, more stocks, more property. And I just got in that hamster wheel of doing that. So now that I've sold that business, I'm in a unique position where I don't know what to do. But with my tire and auto business, I had that for 8 years. And during that process, I obviously became very fond of working on vehicles. And instead of the business being the focus, it was my passion of cars that came through. And that leads me to today. This is my garage at home. I've got a warehouse as well where I run my car rental business that has some other cars there. This Nissan Pulsar I bought about 1.5 years ago with the idea that I would have time to tinker around with it. It had a smashed front end. It's now being repaired, as you can see. Just got to put the panels back on. And my idea was that I'd just learn more about cars and learn auto electrical and mechanical and panel beating and learn more about it, because it's something that I'd never really got into or had the time to do, and I wanted to. I really, really wanted to. So I bought this car. I bought a Porsche Boxster, a Porsche Cayenne. I ended up buying too many cars and got what they say, analysis paralysis, where I ended up having a bunch of things and did absolutely nothing because there was too much to do. So now that I've sold my business, I have all the time in the world, and I've been working on the Nissan Pulsar the last few days. And man, I've really, really enjoyed it. And it just got me thinking. So I've been doing the YouTube thing for about 7-8 years on and off. Never really serious. I just use it to provide information and provide value for people, and hopefully everyone uses that information to better themselves or their business. But I think it may be time where I did start taking it serious and started to upload more car content, more things that I'm passionate about, and start to enjoy the process of fixing cars, working on cars, and getting to a stage where I can justify myself spending money, allocating capital on a supercar. So I think that's where I'm at. I've toyed with the idea of doing an apprenticeship, an auto electrical apprenticeship, and I thought, if I'm going to dedicate 4 years to that, why wouldn't I just dedicate 4 years to a YouTube business and make it into a business, generate some money, reinvest that money into more cars, better projects, bring some team on, make it an actual business. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So appreciate your support. Thanks for helping me out. Thanks for subscribing. If you do have any ideas or things that you'd like me to do, throw them in the comments. I've got all the time in the world, and I'm really keen to give this a red hot crack over the next 2 to 3 years. Unlike others, my expectations aren't that I'm going to be, super rich and famous off this, or that everything's going to happen in a few weeks, but I'm dedicating the next few years to this. And I'm just going to do things that I enjoy doing, and hopefully that comes through on screen. And you also may learn things as well. So I'll continue doing the car rental. It's not a massive time demand, so it'll still be able to do that on the side, but I want to be able to do at least 1 to 2 videos a week of cars, working on cars, driving cars, just doing car things. That's what makes me happy. That's what makes my kids happy. My boys love it. And I think I can give this a red hot crack. So if you're still with me, I appreciate it. Hit the subscribe, follow along, and let's see where this takes us.